much, hello my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of EURUSD and GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of EURUSD in front of us. Yesterday, when we discussed about EURUSD and GBPUSD, both the charts were flat. There was holiday on Europe. So we were expecting a sideways or flat market, but there was sudden upside on Euro USD and it was very swift. Usually Euro USD doesn't move much, especially for the last few days. Okay, Euro USD was more or less a sleeping giant, but yesterday the upside was so swift. Okay, I was surprised. As we discussed about the selling positions, I was on a sell. Okay, I was on a sell, but when market started going up, okay, I was pretty confused because yes, DXY was going down at the same time. Okay, but DXY is okay for the last few days when DXY was forming big red candle, big green candle. Euro USD was not forming those big green candles or red candles. So I thought that Euro USD would not respond crazily, but yes, it did, and I was trapped on my sell position. But luckily I could average out and ultimately I could exit with $10. Anyways, uh, the move was pretty unexpected and surprising, so we need to be careful today. So let's look at the chart of DXY US dollar index, and this was the main reason why we got to see good amount of upside on Euro USD and GBP USD. And now we can see that DXY or US dollar index is trying to take support around 105.40 or the 50 moving average. We also have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level around the same area. So at this moment, if you are looking for some fresh position on any USD pair, then please try to avoid, because at this moment we don't know whether dollar index will go up from here or index will continue the downside. Clear? So if DXY shows recovery from here, then we can expect market to or Euro USD to show some downside correction. But if the fall or the correction on DXY continues, the next support will be around 105.18, this area, and then we have the next support around 104.90. Here we have the FIBO 50% retracement level, along with that we have the 200 moving average. So these are the two support levels on the chart of DXY if the fall continues. And in this market situation, chances of market breaking 106 and continuing the upside is very less. And if we look at the market sentiment, you can see dollar holds decline as more data eyed. It's talking about the upcoming PCE data. So till Friday, we can expect a sideways market or a choppy market for all the dollar pairs. Now, let's talk about not my beloved, your beloved Euro USD. After all, Euro USD is the most popular currency pair in the world. And my dear friends, this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct after every 3-4 months. The Hindi workshop has started and the English workshop is going to start from 28. So if you're struggling with the market, unable to make money, then my dear friends, you can check out the link in the description, because this workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for a couple of months and years. These are the benefits that you will be getting if you sign up for a workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. These are the topics that we will be dealing during the 3 days. And in 1 month support, you'll be getting regular market updates, analysis on our WhatsApp group. We have a Telegram community where you can interact with other members. You'll find traders from all around the world. It's a colorful community. And during the 1 month support, there will be weekly sessions. These are the topics that we will be discussing. So all total, there will be 7 classes. You can see Hindi dates are gone. English classes are about to start from 28th of June. The classes will be conducted over Google Meet. In case you fail to attend the workshop because of time difference, no need to worry. I record each and every session. The best part is the fees. For 3 days workshop and 1 month support is only $15 or rupees 1,000 for Indians. And trading takes time. As we all know, trading is a journey. So if you're looking for personal sessions with me, then you can also sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime support. Semi-annual is only $65 or rupees 4,000, where you're getting 3 days workshop with 6 months support with 2 personal sessions. And in lifetime, okay, you get lifetime friendship with me and 6 personal sessions, okay, to clear your doubts, ask questions, and also to gossip if you want. Okay, so my reference, these are the payment options. Once you're done with the payment, share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number. Okay, and I will add you to the group immediately. So the registration will close very soon for the English workshop. Hindi has already stopped. So if you're interested, feel free to check out the link in the description. Thank you so much. In terms of volume, so if you have any buy position right now, or if you're holding any buy position on Euro USD, you can continue with the buy position because we do not have any clarity regarding DXY. But if you see that DXY is going up or DXY starts going up, then you can exit immediately. So you need to keep your one eye on the chart of DXY. But if the fall on DXY continues, then obviously you can continue with your buy position. You will be on good profit, and then you can look for next selling opportunity around 1.0764. 1.0764 can be our next selling opportunity on the chart of Euro USD. So if you're holding a buy beyond the trade, when DXY will show reversal signs, then you need to exit. But I'm not suggesting any fresh buy position here because of the choppy nature of the market, because right now we do not have any clear trend present, so we may get trapped. Okay, so and at this moment we can clearly see that there is not much volume also in the market. In absence of volume, obviously there is a chance of getting trapped. So my dear friend, if you see a good amount of upside with volume by the European session, US session, then you can follow the trend of the market, you can go for a buy. But at this moment, in absence of volume, I cannot suggest any buy position. Okay, and if you see market going up like this with small candles, then you can look for a sell around 1.0764, 1.0758. This is the level where you can look for a sell because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level plus previous price rejection, strong price rejection around this area. And in low volume market, obviously Euro USD will face trouble. And if DXY falls also, by the time Euro USD will be around this area, DXY will be also at the support level. So we are expecting at least a little bit of selling opportunity around 1.0758, 1.07 1.076465 area. So this is a level where I'm looking for a sell opportunity for the day. And on the other hand, if Euro USD drops, observe the volume. If you see a big red candle, then obviously you need to use your common sense and you need to avoid any sort of buying. But if you see small candles, you can look for a buy around 1.0715. This is a level where you can look for a buy. If you see the market is coming down with small candles, you know we are using this. Sorry. Okay. You can see we have this FIBO here, and we will also be having the 50 moving average around the same area. So these are the only two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. And if market changes the nature by European session, US session, then you can obviously follow the trend of the market and react accordingly. Okay, now let's talk about the chart of British pound US dollar. So we have a similar story here. Again, I'll repeat that if you have any buy position, okay, if you have any buy position, you can continue with the buy as long as DXY is showing signs of correction. The moment DXY takes support and bounces, you need to exit from the buy on Euro USD or GBP USD.